What's up? So today we are going to make a dish which is oh, Maggi noodles. So let's start. Let's open the Maggi packet. Have a bowl. There you go. And we have this tiny masala packet. Put it aside. We have everything here: our Maggi noodles, stove, and the masala. Masala. Maggi noodles and Maggi noodles masala. Best friends forever. If there's no masala, Maggi's life is incomplete. Incomplete. Add some water to it. Boom. Now add the noodles. Slowly. Don't hurt them. There you go. Good job. Now let's heat it. I said heat it, not hit it. Heat it. Hit it. Heat it. Now here goes the masala. Best friends forever. So it's ready to eat. Beautiful. So if you like my video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.